Okay, I want to show you something interesting today. So I just pulled the engine from a tractor. Today patient is a case Magnum 215, which is a smaller mid-frame tractor. The problem with this tractor is a leaking oil pan. You might think, well, it's not a big deal to change the oil pan, but in this case scenario, I think it is, because this was repaired before with the JB weld and some other glues, and that's another hole that just created. So we solved this problem. Actually, this one was a rock that's stuck between the oil pan and the frame, and this one was dirt. So engine vibrates on the supports on the back and on the front, but with this frame design, it's a little problematic because as a closed, there's except couple holes for I don't know what, but this one is for, I think, draining oil. This frame collecting dirt. If you're not washing regularly, you taking a high risk of being in trouble with this oil pan. So that's the spot right here. That's where the oil pan was rubbing on the dirt and cause a hole. So I got a new oil pan, new gasket. I'm gonna take a time and clean the frame. So, new oil pan. And I would advise you guys, whoever have this style of frame in a tractor, to take extra time to wash it, blow it off, wash it, keep it clean, because the oil pan, it's $3,000, and so $3,000 plus the labor, you pretty much have to remove the whole engine to access the oil pan. In this configuration, there is no way to replace the oil pan with the engine and the frame. So Magnum tractors, it's been pretty good engine, except that issue with the oil pan. Those Cummins engines are pretty easy to work on, troubleshoot and diagnose. Anyway, I better go back to work and do my cleanup and replace an oil pan. See you on the next one.